Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Our recipe for today is Cajun shrimp with corn and potatoes. The deliciousness of this shrimp recipe relies on Cajun seasoning, which adds big, bold, garlicky, peppery flavor. You can make your own Cajun if you don't have a jar of it already. I will put the link down below on how to make this Cajun seasoning. Here are the ingredients. 1 potatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil divided, half onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup bell pepper, 2 cup corn, 1.5 pound or half kilograms shrimp peeled and deveined, 2 teaspoon Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon freshly chopped parsley. Firstly, in a large skillet, we will heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium heat, and then we will add in onion. Once it's transparent, we will add the garlic and potatoes. After a minute, we will add bell pepper, and then we will saute until all of it is tender for about 10 minutes. After that, corn and cook for another minute more. Then we will transfer the vegetables to a bowl and set it aside. And into our skillet, we will add the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add also the shrimp in a single layer. And we will add Cajun seasoning. We will cook this until orange, and then we will add now the vegetables and lemon juice, and we will toss it until combined. By the way guys, for any requests and suggestions for another recipe, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to respond. At this point, we will garnish with parsley. And there you go, our Cajun shrimp with corn and potatoes. Enjoy!